Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome to episode 3 of Buying Real Estate. Find your agent. Yeah, you're going to be seeing a lot of houses, going to a lot of open houses, and you're going to be meeting a lot of agents. Talk to them, get a sense of them, but pick one. If you start working with multiple agents, it gets really muddy, and I just wouldn't recommend that. And why you should find one agent is because we work for you and you alone. We're not like some used car salesman who has to sell you only a certain brand of car, who has to answer to a boss, who has to meet a quota. No, we can show you any house in our licensed area, and we can find the house that suits you. Also, you don't pay our commission. The seller agent negotiate a price, and they pay our commission. 99% of the time, you don't pay our commission. You're buying a house, for goodness sakes. You don't have to worry about that. And also, you have your own expert, someone who knows everything about real estate, someone who can anticipate problems, bumps in the roads, and knows the solutions. And if we don't, we know who to ask for the solutions. We also know great loan officers, great real estate attorneys, great inspectors that we know who are going to communicate with you, do their job well, and meet their deadlines. That's vital for an agent. Now, some of the bullet points of what you want to look for in an agent: communication. They got to answer your calls, or they got to return your messages as soon as possible. Updates. It's vital for an agent not to wait for your updates. We should actively go pursue them and find them ourselves. Respect. We should never talk down to you. An agent should never talk down to you and make you feel inadequate. Patience. That goes without saying. It's not our deal. It's not personal to us. We should always have an infinite supply of patience. Honesty. A lot of times there's, like I said, a little bumps in the road, little problems, and it's very important for an agent to be upfront right at the start, be honest with you if there's a problem. The second you acknowledge there's a problem, the second you can find a solution, and then you can keep moving forward. And also, we're always there for you. Yeah, even after the deal's over, an agent is always there for you. To a good agent, you're family. So when you're looking for an agent, look out for these. Look out for these points. Talk to them. Develop some trust and some confidence, and then work with them. Yeah? All right. Now you're ready for episode 4, my favorite episode. I can't wait till you see it. Take it easy, guys.